Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So this video is going to be the start of multiple looks one palette using the BH Cosmetics Aquarius Mini Zodiac palette. This is an absolutely beautiful palette. And I'm wearing the center shade as a highlight, and this is look 1 and look 2 for this palette. But I think this is just so absolutely stunning. I am a sucker for blue shadows. I have blue eyes. I've always been drawn to blue eyeshadows, even though I was always told growing up, don't wear blue, it'll wash your eyes out. Well, right now I've got a darker blue on one eye and a lighter blue on the other. And if you look at my eyes, this eye looks more gray, whereas this one looks more like a pastel, like light blue. So I think maybe that's what they're getting at when they're saying don't wear blue eyeshadows, because it can change the way your eyes look. I know when I wear varying shades of clothes, my eyes either lighten or darken. Usually my eyes are about a sky blue color. If they go gray, I'm very angry, and that means get the hell away from me because I'm about to explode. But usually when I wear differing colors, whether it's pastels or greens or reds or blacks even, can make my eyes change color. And I like how that changes the way my eyes look. So I actually, like I said, I am super drawn to wearing blue eyeshadows. So hopefully you guys like this series that I'm doing. This is the beginning of my Aquarius Zodiac compilation video. Hopefully you guys like these. I will be including a picture at the very beginning of the look, like I did with the Capricorn palette, and then I will show you the look and then do like a little short video clip of one side versus the other, like the one side, one eye, and then you'll see another picture for like the second look, and then the actual recording of the application process, and then the finished effect video. So I also will be making sure I put the looks up on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. The links are down below in the description box. So hopefully you like this. I know this is a little bit more rambly than I usually am at the beginning of my videos, but I didn't record a whole lot of stuff like this for my Capricorn video, and I got to the end of the video recordings for all of the 8 looks and realized I didn't have an intro and I didn't record an outro, so I didn't want to do that with this one. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt, and let's get into look 1 and look 2. Hey guys, so this is the last two looks. You've got look 7 and look 8 using the Aquarius palette. Now, I was going to do more than 8 looks, but because I don't want the videos to be too long and I am speeding up quite a bit of these, so I wanted to be able to do more looks and get them out a little faster. I can record 2 looks at one time doing this, so that's what I have been doing. And then I can, you figure 2 looks a day, that's 4 days in a row. Then I'm wearing this palette, and then I still have the Pisces palette to do. And I plan on doing the same thing with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I have a lot more eye looks that I plan on doing, and then I will be doing like conjunctive looks where I'm using this palette or another palette in conjunction with this one, and only just using like the little mini Zodiac palettes. So hopefully you like these like quicker looks that I'm doing, where I'm doing one eye with one look and one eye with the other. This is an absolutely beautiful palette. Not only the inside of it, but I love it. I love this like icy blue center for the highlight. I am actually wearing this lilac shade on my lid. It looks silver in the pan, but I kid you not, it is like this beautiful lavender shade. There isn't a shadow in here that I have any issues with. I just have a problem working with this one here personally. And that's just because it is such a dark shadow that I literally have to go in and like tap shadow and then go back in and get a little bit more and tap shadow and then go back in and get a little bit more. Now, if I was more comfortable using darker shadows, I could probably put a brush in there and then it'll blend out just like everything else. But because it is the darkest shade in the palette, I think probably the darkest one out of all 3 of the little palettes, that it's kind of intimidating to me. All the other shadows blend beautifully. I did like really simple looks for 7 and 8. They're both very similar, where it is one shade literally from crease to lash line and then a shimmer in the center. I did placement a little bit different from one eye to the other, and there's the air. So hopefully you like these little videos. I'm going to try and get this edited. I'm actually editing the Capricorn one right now. I just finished those looks a couple of days ago. Now the fun part is getting them all edited and so I can upload them. So hopefully you guys like these. If you do, give me a thumbs up. It does help me out, and I will be doing a video as to why it helps. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below, or if there's colors in here that you have more questions on, or if you want to see wet swatches versus dry, because my videos that I only did dry swatches. I didn't do brush swatches. I didn't do wet swatches. And like the one shadow I used with a dry shader brush, the other one I used with a wet synthetic brush. So these shadows do go on a little bit differently, whether they're wet or the dry, with all of them, whether they're the matte shadows or the shimmer shades. So hopefully that's helpful. And I mean, like I said, I picked this up for $8. They retail for $14, but you can get them as low as $7. So always keep an eye out on the BH website. I will leave some links down below for like the Honey app that I use, Ebates, and Shop Tagger. Shop Tagger lets you know when something is on sale. Ebates, you get cash back on your purchases, and Honey is also a coupon website that I use that helps you save extra money, and it like searches for whatever valid coupons are available. So I use all 3 of those websites to like keep track of things that I want to buy, and so I know when they are on sale. So hopefully have a great day or night wherever you are. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.